Did you know that spinach became famous for its iron content due to a typo? In 1870, a researcher misplaced a decimal point, making it look like spinach had 10 times more iron than it actually did. And people confidently believed this for decades, even creating the cartoon Popeye to capitalize on it. But here's the irony. That story itself is a myth. Somebody made up the decimal point error and people confidently repeated it without fact checking. When information sounds confident and authoritative, we tend to believe it. Generative AI can do the same thing. It can give you an answer that sounds incredibly articulate, perfectly structured, and completely and absolutely wrong. Now, AI has gotten incredibly sophisticated, with built-in guardrails to reduce hallucinations, those fabricated answers. But it's still a probabilistic system. It can still make confident mistakes, so you can't just blindly trust the output. You need a framework for using these tools responsibly, and that's why Google frames its AI development and usage around 3 guiding principles. First is bold innovation, pushing boundaries while ensuring benefits outweigh risks. But innovation needs guardrails, bringing us to the second principle, responsible development and deployment. This focuses on human oversight and ethical safeguards to mitigate bias and catch mistakes. The last AI principle is collaborative progress together. This is all about making tools that empower others to harness AI for collective and individual benefit. AI doesn't replace you, it works with you. This is the most important concept of all, the human in the loop. You aren't just the user, you're the editor, the fact checker, and the director. You never ship the AI's work without reviewing it first. And there you have it. Those are Google's 3 AI principles. In this lesson, you'll learn a bit more about how to implement them.